Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to get free coins in DramaBox app. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first method is daily or weekly rewards. Many apps like DramaBox offer daily or weekly rewards to encourage engagement. So log into your account daily to claim free coins. Some platforms offer bonus coins for completing certain actions. Second is to watch ads. If the app offers ad-supported content, you can often earn free coins by watching ads. Look for some options that allow you to watch a video ad in exchange for coins. Sometimes you might earn a small number of coins for watching multiple ads or completing specific tasks. Third is to refer friends or invite others. Many apps have a referral program where you can earn coins by inviting friends to join. Share your referral code with friends or family. When they sign up or subscribe, you both may get free coins as a reward, and you can participate in events or challenges and sign up for premium or VIP plans for limited free coins. So these are a couple of steps that you can do, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did. Comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.